hot water.
These are my lettuces. Not lettuce, cabbage, sorry. Mosquito bite me. Cabbage. And all over there so too. Them ones are my cucumber there so. There is cucumber. And I have cup of scallion popping out somewhere. You see them there? Yeah. And more okra over there so. Then we have my kidney beans, carrots, beetroot, callaloo, and what else is over there? Pop try, and more weed as well around the rim. Yeah, so that's everything, guys. That was my passion fruit tree. Not passion fruit. How we call him? How we call him now, Mickey?